This is day 2 of our tropical storm Hilary. It started raining about 2 a.m. this morning, and it was pretty light, no wind, but solid rain. And then about 2 hours ago, it intensified more. As you can see from the back window of our trailer, we're starting to see some flooding in our RV park. And you can probably hear the noise of the rain on the roof of our trailer. As you can tell now, and it's about 3:30 California time, the rain is getting worse and so is the flooding. Ironically though, it's not stopping people here from driving anywhere, especially in their golf carts.
This is humiliating. You humans, you're terrible. This is a tropical storm. It's pouring down rain. California hasn't had a tropical storm in 58 years, and you took me out to pee in this. Wearing my harness, which is now drenched and stuck. It's stuck to my private parts. Ugh, I'm embarrassed. I'm mortified. You need to do better.